what's going on, everybody? Welcome once again to Anlime TV. I'm your host, Nelson Rivaldo Jr., and thanks for stopping by. If you're new here, I would really appreciate it if you could please subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate your support. Help comes a long way. Today, guys, I have the review and unboxing of the Air Jordan 3 Katrina colorway, or white and red colorway. But before we begin, I do have to say that this video is sponsored by Anlime, baby. Check me out on Instagram at AnlimeNYC. And if you want to cop some merch, look drippy, look fly, go to my website, AnlimeNYC.com. Thank you so much, guys. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Super excited of this unboxing review. I know it is the year 2023. These did release in 2017, I want to say. Yep, 2017 or maybe 2018. Boom, here's the shoe. But before I do the shoe, you guys already know I gotta do the box. So we got like that lid box, right? Separates. The top is black, matte black with the red Jumpman logo. And the sides have the Air Jumpman logo. Same as this side. The inside of it is that red color. Also, the inside of the box is red. Tissue paper kind of has that elephant print on it. Bottom of the box has that elephant print, but it's a dark elephant print. Sorry about that. Let me put my phone on. So this bottom is that dark cement print, and these are a size 10. Reason I'm selling, because I'm a 10.5 now. So yeah, there you go. Okay, so these are size 10. Yeah, guys, so these are from 2017, and we're in 2023, and boom, I wore these probably like 20 times, 30 times, so that's like 5 times a year. Look at that. I mean, I wore the hell out of them. And I do have to say, guys, that this quality is really good quality. But for some reason, one side has better quality than the other. I know that sounds weird to say. I don't know if they were like manufactured like in different facilities. But like you can kind of tell the difference in the leather. Both shoes, they're very, very good leather, but one is better than the other. So boom, we have the shoe right here, the Air Jordan 3 Katrina. Wow, this was a PE from a basketball player. I believe his name is Derek Anderson. And boom, we got the outsole right there. Traditional Jordan 3 outsole with the gray, the red, and the white. The Jordan logo branding right on the bottom. If we move our way to the midsole, we got that Thylon midsole, that white to red, and we got that heel air unit, the bubble air unit right there. We also got the iconic, it can't be a Jordan 3 without the cement, right? Without that cement pattern, or elephant print pattern, but you know, we call it cement, elephant print, whatever. The heel, it is the Nike, it is the Jordan Air. It is not the Nike Air. Same as the tongue, it is the Jordan. The lace locks, the white. We got the black lace lock, and then white right here and red down here. So it is very similar to the cement, the original cement colorway. But it does have that red. The original, I believe, is black here. And this is red. So yeah, guys, let me know how you guys feel about this shoe. I should have changed the laces for you guys. Sorry, but I did clean it up a little bit for you guys. These are going straight to eBay right after this review. Had to do this review before I let go of them. But yeah, if you guys are interested, let me know. Let me know. How you guys feel about this shoe? Cop, drop. I know we're in 2023, but it's always cool to go back retro in time. 5 years ago. Not bad. Not bad, honestly, not bad condition to be 5 years old. And worn, these were worn heavy, guys. Like, I'm telling you guys, I probably wore like 10 times a year and probably like 50 times. So, yeah, you guys know the vibes. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate the support. Follow me on Instagram at LMNYC. And if you want to get drippy, look fly, go to my website, lmnyc.com. Thank you.